What's up, y'all? It's Jasmine and I'm back with another video. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you're returning, welcome back. So I'm gonna show y'all how I put my wigs on, how I lay them down, and getting it laid, how it is laid, okay? Because she eats, period. So let's get into the video. Alright, y'all, this is a very vulnerable get ready with me. Because y'all know the last get ready with me, I have my wig on already. So y'all gonna see how I put my wig on. Going back brown with some highlights. So we're gonna throw this wig on. We're gonna put it on off camera because the way my braids look right now, questionable. It's giving Sealy. It's giving Runaway Slave. That's what my braids look like under here. That's probably not a good analogy, but they look bad up under this bonnet. So I'm gonna throw this wig on off camera and then yeah, show you like me putting it on and everything. So give me a second. It's looking a little questionable, but y'all, I promise we're gonna get it together. Yes, y'all, I know it looks like who shot John and why, but trust the process. I promise you. Give me a second. Like, y'all can clearly see the lace, but you won't in a minute. What we're gonna do is slide this thing back just a tad. Me personally, I don't use glue when I put my lace on and tack it down and all that good stuff. I use the Ebin Adhesive Spray, the black one. It's the extreme firm hold. Because actually, I'm allergic to the lace glue, or at least the lace glues I've tried, I'm allergic to. If there are people out there that are allergic to, like, the Ghost Bond lace glue, what other glues do y'all use? Because I'm thinking about trying it again, but I'm nervous. I've also tried another brand's glue, lace glue, and it broke me out as well. And I even used like a protective spray before putting it on. And the protective spray like held it off for like a couple days, maybe like 2-3 days, and then like that third day, this one was itching real bad. But yeah, if there's any other glues out there that are kind of like for sensitive skin, or you know, doesn't have that, I guess, ingredient in it that makes you break out, let me know. Because I really want to try lace glues, because like sometimes I'll be wanting to keep my wigs on for a couple days longer than this will allow. So this will only let me keep it on from like 2, maybe 3 days. 3 days is kind of like pushing it. But like, yeah, that third day is coming off. So summertime, oh, you got like maybe 8 hours. Maybe 12. On a good day, if you got a fan with you. I'm just gonna spray this right where I want this, where the lace is gonna be tacked down at. So, okay. And then I like to like use the back of a comb to kind of guide it and keep it from like rolling down my face. And I use about like 1 or 2 coats of this, depending on how long I want it to stay on. I'm probably gonna do 2 coats just to be safe today, because I don't know if I'm gonna get hot or whatever, because I'll be getting hot fast. This is my fan, like my portable fan that I take with me everywhere I go. If you know, you know. I'm gonna break this fan out anytime I'm hot, okay? This is what be keeping my lace on while I'm like out and about. Like, as soon as I start sweating, oh, the fan is coming out and I'm blow drying my hairline, because that's where the sweat immediately starts from. Once my hairline starts sweating, y'all, it's a wrap. It's a wrap for the wigs. I use this also to, you know, dry the layers of glue in between. So it comes in handy for a lot of things. So yeah, I'm just gonna dry. It's kind of dry already. This fan, G-Su Life, I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's the G-Su Life fan. It's a portable fan and it's like $60 on Amazon, but y'all, promise you it's worth it. Like, look how that's on 100. So it's very powerful and it really works wonders. So now that that layer is dry, we're we're gonna add another one, of course, making sure this thing don't. Oh, it's tacky. Oh yeah, it's tacky, y'all. It's ready. Okay. And let that dry too. Make sure it's like tacky. You kind of don't want to touch it, but like as y'all can see, it's tacky. So that's what you want. Pull this really up and lay it right on the edge. And I like to use either the back of this comb or a rat tail comb to kind of press it and press the lace down. And then sometimes you may have to like lift it up a little bit or like fold it back just a tad and like add a little bit more. Just add a little bit more to like the edge of it and just press it down into the lace, or press the lace into it. Let's see. And you kind of want to wipe that little excess spray off the edge if you can. You just want to keep making sure that no hair, no like flyaways get stuck in it. I don't know if y'all can see that right there. It needs to be tightened down, so let's add a little bit more right there. Let that dry. Just gonna gently press it down. I don't want the little baby hairs that I created a while ago, I don't want them to get like sticky and tacky. So I'm just gonna press down a little bit, just where that little piece of lace underneath was not glued down at. So we just want to gently press down, not really pressing all the way into the hairs, because it will stick to that spray and it will be stuck like glue. It probably look a little crazy right now. We're gonna fix it because it is giving wig and we don't want that. Next, after you like everything is like nice and secure and it feels secure, you see that lace right there? We want to melt that. We don't want to see that, okay? So I'm going to use the Ebin lace melt spray. This is the silver one, the silk protein. I mean, they all have like different benefits in it, but this one's the silk protein spray. And you want to just spray a little bit and use your finger to like tap it in. As you can see, it's disappearing. Dab, lightly dab your fingers, because your fingers have oil on it, so you don't want to dab like press too hard on it. You just want to like tap 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 tap. Okay, want to make sure that this is completely dry, because when you put the melt band on, you don't want it to like stick to the melt spray, because once you take it off, once it dries and you take it off, it's going to come up. Like the lace is going to be stuck to the actual melt band. So you don't want that. So you want to make sure this is nice and dry. And you also want to make sure that there's no hairs sticking to it. So you want to kind of brush the hair back. You can also spray some more if you feel like you need it. Like spray a little further back so that it's all looking real seamless. So yeah, you want that to dry. Okay. Just want to make sure it's no sticky areas, and then we could use a melt band. Get these from your local beauty supply store. You know, I have like 3 of these, but I also wash them periodically because they do get, you know, build up on it and all that good stuff. So I like to wash them periodically. And you want to place it like right, see, you want to place it right here, okay, and then bring it all the way around. You can cover your ears so that your baby hairs don't get messed up. You want to make sure that your little baby hairs or edges, whatever you want to call them, are flat. So you want to be able to kind of see still where your part is, because this is where the most important part comes into play. You want to make sure you use a hot comb. Like, use that hot comb. It's not bumpy, but it's not as flat as I want it to be. When I wash my wigs or whatever, while I let them dry, I like to mold my part out. I part out the hair and then I use foam wrap to like lay it flat, so that like when I'm ready to style it, it's already you know, ready to go. I did that prior to putting this wig on, so that's why the part is like very defined. And also, this is a fairly old wig, so the part is already there. It's already been like kind of plucked out and customized. So you're gonna I apply some of the wax stick on my hair on both sides before I use a hot comb, because this is going to help it stay in place. It helps with flyaways. It helps the hair lay flatter. So I like to put the wax stick right here, and I do it all around the part, like even back there, and then of course right here, because this is where it goes behind my ear. So I definitely like it to be nice and flat right here for sure. Using this red by Kiss hot comb, it goes up to 450, and you really want a hot comb that goes up to 450 because it's going to do the job. It's going to get the job done. Of course, you kind of want to go at an angle because you don't want to just stick the teeth in, because you will burn your forehead and your scalp. Like, you will feel the heat under this wig, so yeah. And like for this side, I like to kind of flat iron it towards the back and like flip it. To give it some volume. Go around the back, make sure that is nice and flat and pressed out. Back on this side, and then on right here we want to press it towards the back. Make sure you watch your ear too, because I promise you it will hurt. Sometimes you might even need to put some wax on the front part, like right here. So I'm gonna just apply a little bit there. While I let my lace melt some more, we're gonna curl this hair real quick, and I'm gonna kind of speed this process up because I'm on a time crunch. But yeah, that is how I kind of do my wig. I'll probably show y'all like how I curl the front part, but other than that, I'm about to do this in like 15 minutes, I promise you. So all right, and I used the T3 iron. I don't know what inch this is. I think it's the 1 inch or the 1.5 inch. I don't really know. First, I use the Design Essentials Silk Essentials Heat Protectant or Thermal Straightening Serum. This is what I use before I start curling or flat iron or doing whatever with the hot tools. Except for hot combing. I don't use it when I hot comb. That's what the wax stick is for. Just wanna make sure it's evenly distributed all the way down to the ends. This wig is actually not that long. It's like, I think 22 inches. And I've layered it so it don't look as long, but it's a decent length. I'll take my little section. Spray my got to be. I like to curl it away from my face so that when I comb it out, it's away from my face. So you always want to curl away from your face, because that's what's going to give you like the very voluminous curls, and they're all going to look seamless, and they're all going to go the same way. So you want to make sure this side you curl away from your face, and this side you curl away from your face. You can see I like to, as soon as it comes out, scrunch it up and pin it. Scrunch it up while it's cooling, and then I pin it. The little duck clip, and pin it in place until so it can set. And then I just repeat. And it's also going to give you like that feathered look when you curl away from your face. Okay? So slowly turn it, hold it for like 10 seconds. And then release it. And then you want to scrunch it up. This will help set your curls and like help them last a little longer. Okay? Roll it up and pin curl it. So I'm gonna do this all over my head because this camera is overheating. I don't know why it overheats, but this camera is overheating, so I'm going to do the rest of my hair off camera and I'll come back when it's all done. I'm gonna take my hair down so y'all can see. There we go. I'm just gonna use a wide tooth comb to brush that out. Because they are like stuck in place. I'm gonna comb them out and then just swoop swoop. Oh, okay, that went right in my eye. I like to just swoop swoop. She eats. Yeah. The switch up is crazy. Okay. Like I said, she's a little short, but she eats nonetheless. So it's me all. Alright. So this is the final look, y'all. So this is part 1 of my get ready with me, showing y'all how I install my wigs. So yeah, if you want to see more hair videos like this, definitely let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Jazman_Domonique and on TikTok, Jazman Domonique. Yeah, I hope you liked this video. I hope it was very entertaining. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you all in my next video. Peace out. Say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own.